Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Adrienne here, Diamonds, Crafts and Crochet, with my co-host Ashton. We call him his name is Ash, but we call him Ashton. He wants to get into this wonderful Christmas gift we're gonna get into. It is already out of the box and out of the plastic. Yes, my ferret got a hold of it. And dragged it across the floor and got teeth marks in it and stuff. So, I just took the plastic off so it wouldn't look so ugly. Because it's such a touching gift. This Christmas gift is from T, my girlfriend T, from T's World of Adult Coloring here on YouTube. If you haven't checked out her channel, please stop by, say hello, tell her I sent you. She does a lot of coloring. She also does diamond painting on her channel. She's become such a wonderful friend. We do text back and forth off of YouTube, and we chit chat. We have girl talk, so it's really nice. She was there for me when my fur baby passed this past October. She hit me up, and she's been texting me from then on. She always checks in on me. She's become such a great friend. So she sent me this little gift, and this is from Art Dot, I believe. And it's a storage case. Some of the tops came off. Let's fix this up here. So I think the only thing I have from Art Dot is my light pad, which is on the smaller side. I am definitely in need of a bigger one. I will be investing in bigger light pad very soon. But look at this. I love these. I have purchased something very similar off of Temu. I have a couple cases from Temu. But this, I have not got into looking at the Art Dot ones. This is really, really nice. And the only, the big difference I see is the foam is, this is actual foam. The other material from Temu is a little bit different. This is more sturdy. I like this. And I believe this is, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 60 jars. So for me, being a 30 by 40 girl, most of my 30 by 40s are 30 colors and under. So if I really wanted to, I could kit up 2 paintings in here. Or since I've been getting into Diamond Art Club and bigger canvases lately, I can use the whole thing for one kit. That's super exciting. Does come with some goodies on the top part. Comes with this. Sorry if you hear scratching. My kids are up. My fur babies are up. And they're into the empty boxes and they're playing around. So, funnel. It's called a funnel. I didn't know what it was called for a minute. This is a collapsible funnel. This is a rubber one. I haven't had much luck working with these because my diamonds always get stuck to them, but I am definitely willing to try again. I mean, honestly, I'm not tooting my own horn, but I've been pretty good about getting my diamonds back into the cylinder without the funnel. So, but I'm going to try it again. Maybe I had bad luck the first time. Fresh pack. And normally a lot of these kits with the cylinders, whether you see them on Art Dot, Temu, probably AliExpress. I haven't checked out AliExpress, but most of these come with a kit like this. So, it comes with a bunch of pens with multi-placers. A 3-placer. This is probably a 10, maybe a 5 or a 6, 2 of them. So I'll probably keep the tips off them. I usually just keep the kit all together in the bag and keep it with the container set. Here's one of, people use these to, if you don't know what these are, I don't know the technical term for them, but I know, like my buddy Diamond Painting Bewitched Cat, she uses it to flatten out her canvases when they get shipped to her. Some people straighten out their drills, go in between the drills to straighten out the drills. So it's multi-purpose tool. We got a baggie full of baggies. We got 2 green boats. These are what you usually see with the typical toolkits. We got a ton of wax. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 10 plates of wax. And most of these kits, when you get them, they should come with labels, and these do. They come with their own sticker labels. And this, I absolutely love this. This is a huge white boat with a spout. This I will get use out of because I use boats this big, because I do a lot of multi-placing. If there is multi-placing, I am there with it. And I find out the bigger boats like this, are easier to use when I'm multi-placing a lot. Okay, I'm going to test this out tonight because my other one's getting a little decrepit. So, oh, and it does come with like the plastic tweezers. They're not super sharp like those metal ones, but they do give those to you. So I'm just going to put everything back in the bag so I don't lose it. I keep every kit with its own container. I love this. And I mean, even if you don't use everything in the kit, you still get a good amount of stuff. I love it. I can't wait to, I'm going to be quite frank with you. I am probably going to kit up one of my diamond art clubs in this. If you've been watching my videos, I have come into getting a lot of diamond art clubs for Christmas, for Black Friday, and just because. I just recently ordered 9 new kits, 4 from Christmas presents, Diamond Art Club gift cards, and the other 6, I believe, they were having a 20% off end of the year sale. So I took advantage and I got myself another 6 kits. It's serious. This is a serious problem. My friends out there who do Diamond Art Club kits and are serious about Diamond Art Club kits, warn me, it's a serious problem. Once you start, you cannot stop. And I believe it. I totally believe it. Now I see what the hype is. I mean, I know you guys know me on this channel for being quite against the expensive canvases, but I've been buying everything so far with discounts and gift cards. So I've been getting, with the 20% off end of year sale, I got like $40 off my bill. So I think that's the best way to go if you're going to buy off a Diamond Art Club. But this kit is absolutely stunning. It's absolutely wonderful. This is going to make it took me some tries to get used to these cylinders to work with them. But now I'd say I'm pretty at a pro level. I love using these. And it's contained in its own zipper bag. And you don't lose anything. It's perfect. And any extra drills that you keep in baggies, you can keep in the little slot up here. It is so perfect. Great gift. I love it, T. Thank you so much. I'm sorry I'm so late on the video. I got your gift, I think, before Christmas. But it's just been hectic with the move. So I can't wait to kit up a Diamond Art Club in this sucker and show you guys what I'm working on and let you know. I will do a review on this kit since this is, Art Dot Company is a lot better than Temu. So I will be letting you know what I think of this kit as I use it. So super exciting, you guys. It zips perfect. Has a little handle on the outside so you can take this on the go. Hard and sturdy. Wonderful. Thank you so much, T. It means the world to me. You have become such a great friend of mine. I am so glad we became friends. I really cherish our friendship and our little chit chats with each other. You mean the world to me. I've made friends with a lot of people once I started here on YouTube, and everybody has been so welcoming towards me and has been so wonderful towards me. I've just never had such a great group of friends, and it just really warms my heart. It really does. So if you guys are enjoying my videos, you're enjoying the content, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you for returning and supporting my channel. And without further ado, I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.